Hi everyone, I'm Yishong. I'm gonna talk about the value of colonizing Mars. Colonizing Mars, evaluating why, and I'm gonna analyze the article by Mark Hampson. Should we Earthling colonize Mars and become a multi-planet species? The answer may be not that simple. Elon Musk claims the thought of humanity existing exclusive on Earth fills him with dread due to the possible collapse of Earth living as we know it. Even if our spacious existence were not at risk, just being able to say that we are a multi-planet species is an idea that makes him and many others excited to jump out of bed in the morning. The attractives of a planet B, Mars colonized maybe would be where humans exist out of Earth, living and working as a group of human beings with a reasonable amount of DNA to make another planet habitable. Resources consumption, climate change, and the burning of expansion of the sun and the ocean evaporation. So the choice to consider Mars as a planet B still isn't enough after a few million years. Divine intervention is at risk in our house and mind. So going to Mars is become a better human beings. It's not the goal. It's just a promise to save humanity itself. This idea of simply resigning to the possible aid of humanity is so frustrating to most. Who wants to have a bigger purpose in life than just to survive? Work to survive and die. He would rather die on Mars. Why Mars? The rotation axis on Mars is tight, so there are four seasons of year on it, as well as spring, summer, autumn, and winter. There are four seasons on Mars, but the surface temperature is very low. But the daylight temperature is 14 to 20 to 14 Celsius. Face this situation, if human beings put on proper protection, it's not difficult to survive. Oxygen is extracted from the carbon dioxide by technical means to make fuel. So the water vapor is in the atmosphere. There are also large amount of water in pore ice caps. There is a lot of water on Mars, and hence, and once the water is electrolyzed, it will turn into hydrogen and oxygen. So there is no shortage of oxygen. How to orbiting around the Mars, and then we can send to a proper landing on Mars, and then to retake then let the proper roaming on the Mars, and we can retake the lander. The next step is to send the manned flight to Mars, and then we can establish an immigration basis on Mars. So the next step is to globalize the Mars. Mark Hampson think about, do we need to live on Mars to feel as if we are thriving? Could we not find enough meaning here? She concludes, there's more than enough adventure, exploration, and a purpose for living here on planet Earth. Anyone who stays on Earth and works on accelerating our life towards a more sustainable future for all is contributing to high commandment God was to remember to protect the lives of poor and those who without influence and power is a worth cause and more than enough to fill our lives with here on this beloved green planet. Thank you.